So moving further, let us read the next paragraph. It is curious, he remarked, but I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold. Now, when the swallow comes back to the happy prince and tells him that though it is cold outside, but he's feeling warm, that is because you have done a good action, said the prince. Prince ne kya reply kiya? You are feeling warm because you have really done a good deed. And the little swallow began to think and then fell asleep. और जो little swallow था वो उस बारे में सोचने लग गया and सोचते सोचते सो गया. Thinking always made him sleepy. There are a few people who, when start thinking, they fall asleep. So the little swallow, when he started thinking about that incident, he also fell asleep. When the day broke, he flew down to the river and had a bath. Day broke means when it was the next day, जब नया दिन आया, he flew down the river and had his bath. Tonight, I go to Egypt, said the swallow. And he was in high spirits at the prospect. At the prospect means at this proposal, he was quite happy that today he will be going to Egypt. He visited all the monuments and sat a long time on the top of the church. People or wo pure monuments घूमा in that city where the statue of Happy Prince was there, and he sat for a long time on the steeple of the church. वो एक iron rod सा होता है जिसके ऊपर they have placed the statue, so उसके ऊपर बैठा. When the moon rose, he flew back to the Happy Prince. और जब again it was dark, it was night, he went back to Happy Prince. Have you any commissions for Egypt? He cried, I am just starting. तो वो कहते क्या commissions means any business. क्या तुम्हारा वहाँ पे कोई काम है? वो कह रहे yes, I am going. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Will you stay with me one night longer? Again, the happy prince is requesting little swallow to stay with him for one more night. I am waited for in Egypt, answered the swallow. अब उसने क्या कहा कि मेरी इजिप्ट में वेट हो रही है. My friends are waiting for me there. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Far away across the city, I see a young man in a garret. Garret means a small dark room on the top of the roof. Rooftop पे एक small dark room. तो प्रिंस उसको कह रहा है कि मुझे वहां पे एक across the city एक dark room में एक young man, I can see him. He is leaning over a desk covered with papers. Leaning over means bending over. He is bending over the desk which is covered with papers. There are papers all around. And in the glass by his side there is a bunch of withered violets. और उसके साथ टेबल के ऊपर एक ग्लास पड़ा हुआ है जिसमें withered means dried up flowers, violet flowers पड़े हुए हैं. His hair is brown and crisp. Crisp means curly. उसके बाल, in these lines he is giving the description of the man whom the happy prince saw from his position. And his lips are red as a pomegranate and he has large and dreamy eyes. And description of the young man is given that he is bending down on a bench. He has brown hair, brown and curly hair. Uske lips काफी red हैं like a pomegranate, and he has a large and dreamy eyes. His eyes are full of dreams. He is trying to finish a play for the director of the theater, but he is too cold to write anymore. तो कहते हैं कि अब वो कोशिश कर रहा है कि एक डायरेक्टर के लिए जो वो प्ले लिख रहा है उसको फिनिश कर दे, but because of the winter season he is too old that he can't even write. There is no fire in the grate. Grate means fireplace. और उसके घर में जो fireplace है उसमें fire भी नहीं है, means he is so poor that he can't afford even the sticks to light fire in the fireplace. And hunger has made him faint. And because of hunger, he has become faint or unconscious or weak. I will wait with you one night longer, said the swallow, who really had a good heart. And swallow agrees. He says that okay, for one more night I will be with you. And the swallow really had a good heart as he agreed. Every time the prince asked, he agreed to stay with him. He asked if he should take another ruby to the young playwright. Playwright is the person who writes plays. So वो कहता है कि उसको another ruby shall he take and give it to the young man. Alas, I have no ruby now, said the prince. Prince ने कहा नहीं, अब मेरे पास कोई ruby नहीं है. I had only one, which was in the hilt of the sword. My eyes are all that I have left. अब मेरे पास क्या बचा है? सिर्फ मेरी आंखें. They are made of rare sapphires, which were brought out of India 1,000 years ago. मेरी आंखें जो हैं वो एक रेयर काइंड ऑफ सफायर की बनी हुई हैं, राइट? और वो सफायर कहाँ से लाया गया था? 1,000 years ago इंडिया से वो सफायर लाया गया था. He ordered the swallow to pluck out one of them and take it to the playwright. And उसने उसको ऑर्डर किया कि तुम इसमें से एक जो सफायर है मेरी आंख में से वो निकाल लो and give it to that young man. He will sell it to the jeweler and buy firewood. वो ज्वेलर को दे देगा और अपने लिए he will have money so he can arrange firewood for him and he can finish his play. Dear prince, said the swallow, I can't do that, and he began to weep. उसने कहा मैं नहीं कर सकता ऐसे. Who said this? Yes, the little swallow. He said that I can't do this. I can't take the sapphire out of your eye and give it to that young man. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you, as I order you to do. So the swallow plucked out the prince's eye and flew away to the young man's garret. उसकी आंख में से सफायर निकाला and reached the young man's room. It was easy enough to get in as there was a hole in the roof, and it was quite easy for that bird to enter into the room because there was a hole in the roof. Through this, he darted and came into the room. Darted means ran quickly. So very quickly from the hole in the roof, he ran or entered into the room of that young man. The young man had his head buried in his hand, so he did not hear the flutter of the bird's wings. Ab jo young man tha, how he was sitting, buried his head in his hands means covered his head with his hand. So he could not listen to the sound or the flutter of the wings of the little swallow. And when he looked up, he found the beautiful sapphire lying on the withered violet. So जब उसने ऊपर देखा, what did he find? A beautiful sapphire on the dried violet flowers. I am beginning to be appreciated, he cried. और उसने क्या कहा? मैं appreciate होना शुरू हो गया हूँ. He was a playwright and he thought that the people have started appreciating his work. That is why someone has kept that sapphire on his table. This is from some great admirer. Now I can finish my play. And he looked quite happy. So he thought that the sapphire which the little swallow had kept near the withered flowers, he thought that it was sent by one of his admirers, and he felt quite happy and he was confident that he would be able to finish his play now. The next day, the swallow flew down the harbor. He sat on the mast of a large vessel is ship, and watched the sailor working. जो ship का pole था उसके ऊपर बैठा और उसने देखा that the sailors were working. I am going to Egypt, and he said that he was going to Egypt, but nobody minded. Minded means paid attention. He was shouting that he was going to Egypt, but everyone was so involved in his work that no one paid attention. And when the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. Again, when it was night, the bird flew back to the happy prince. I have come to bid you goodbye, he cried. और उसने बोला कि मैं तुम्हें goodbye कहने आया हूँ. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, will you not stay with me one night longer? क्या तुम एक और रात मेरे पास stay नहीं कर सकते? It is winter, answered the swallow. उसने क्या कहा, नहीं तो बहुत सर्दी है, and the snow will soon be here. और जल्दी ही snowfall start हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. In Egypt, the sun is warm on the green palm trees, and the crocodiles lie in the mud and look lazily about them. And he said that in Egypt, the weather is quite warm. The people are enjoying there. The crocodiles, they lie in the mud and they look lazily. They spend their time leisurely in Egypt. But here, it would be winter season and there'll be snowfall. In the square below, said the happy prince, there stands a little match girl. She has let her matches fall. She has let her matches fall in the gutter and they are all spoiled. Happy Prince again, he shows a little girl to the bird and he says that कि उस जो little girl है उसके पास matchsticks थे, but that little girl had let her matches fall in the gutter. उससे वो जो matchsticks थी वो gutter में गिर गई and all the matchsticks are spoiled. Her father will beat her if she does not bring home some money. और उसके father जो हैं वो if she does not go home with money as she was supposed to sell those matchsticks and earn money. If she doesn't do that, she will be scolded by her father, and so she is crying. Let me finish this paragraph. She has no shoes and stockings, and her little head is bare. Pluck out my other eye and give it to her, and her father will not beat her. And he tells the condition of that little girl that she even doesn't have clothes to cover herself from this in this winter season. She has no shoes, she has no socks, and her head is bare means she does not have anything to cover her head also. So give that sapphire to the little girl and his father will be happy. He will not beat that little girl. I hope the chapter is clear till this paragraph. We'll continue our class tomorrow.